Well, I'm on the main road, just coming into Lamlash, just before the turn off for the Ross Road. I'm on the last corner. We've got a wide load coming up with the caravan on it, McCallum's lorry, and on the corner, the last tight corner, it's met another lorry with a Murchie's digger on the back, and they're going to try and pass on this corner, and I don't know how they're going to do it, but let's just see what happens. It doesn't look good to me. That one on the left's going to have to move forward, because it'll hit that little white post on a corner of all places. And the wide load's backing right up now. At least he can back up. Hopefully he's going onto a straight bit of road. Well, that lorry reversed out of the way and now it's come back again. Back towards the corner. And now it's reversing back again. Out of sight. It just like reappeared and then disappeared again. I think I'm going to go around the corner and have a look. I'm going for a look. And there's the queue. There's the wide load lorry, wide load van. People starting to reverse now. Somebody else taking photos of Lamlash up there. Let's see where it's going. There's no way to get past here. Get a car through, but that's it. Hey, Daddy! Hey? It's what?
He was supposed to wait down there.
Was he? Yeah, because you get sent on, didn't you, from the heights? The wee van came up and told you to carry on, didn't it? And he didn't stay down there, now he's at the tight corner. That's the worst place to pass. And you've got quite a wide load yourself. Yeah. Well, not as wide as his.
No, but wide touching face,
Disastrous. I know which one would come off first, and it's not the Murchie digger. Jeez. I can't see you getting past there either.
No, he's going to have to what?
It's going to have to go all the way back.
Yeah.
I think you're right. Back to the main road, down past the factory. Yeah, I think so. I'm going to go and have a look. It's an exciting life we lead. Let's see if he can go back. Oh, he is going back a bit. Oh, the cars are turning around here now, that's what's happening. It's completely blocked the road. Yeah. They're turning the cars around from behind the lorry. They have to. So it's going to have to reverse all the way back to the Ross Road end, which is where I was going actually. All the way down. So every car behind that lorry is going to have to reverse, turn around. and there's a lot of them. Looks like he's done it now. I think he's just reversing into that lay-by right beside the Arran Provisions factory. Looks to me like he is. So we'll be out here just in a wee second. Looks good to me. Yeah, I think he's done it. A bit of excitement on the road today. The cyclist coming up. They'll be having a laugh. Oh, you fools in your tin boxes. And there's another one. Yeah, I think that's them done. Right, we're off. And I'm going hands free, so I can't get in any trouble here. Let's go and see what's ahead. There's the wee van, wide load van. Oh. There's the caravan off the road. It looks like we're still stuck. Oh no, we're not. We're moving again. So they can see where it's reversed into there. There's Bob Haddow. Right, nice caravan, no? 12 foot wide. Alright, Chris. And there we go.